would say Pipe Wrench's biggest strength, hands down, is our people.
I'm going to describe working here at Pipe Wrench has been fantastic. It's been very rewarding. It's fun to me after 36 years to watch us grow.
We have some apprentices, we have some mid-level, and we have some senior-level technicians. The good part about them, they're very dependable, reliable, they really want to learn, they seek knowledge, and they're very coachable, and so it makes for a great team because they really are a team, and they play together just as a team.
I would describe my team as hardworking. They're fun. There's never a dull moment at all with them. And they're very dedicated. They're always here. They're always on time. They're always doing whatever it takes to get everything taken care of for the customer or the technician or for me.
The best thing about working at Pipe Wrench is being part of a family.
The atmosphere here at Pipe Wrench is it's a very family-oriented. People actually smile, so it's nice to come into a place that the people smile, have joke around, and enjoy their job, enjoy their day.
I would describe my team as hardworking, dedicated, and a kick-ass team.
You guys, you ladies, you have no idea what a blessing you are to me. Thank you for everything you've given me. You may think that I've given you a job, you may think that I've given you a truck or insurance or something like that, but you've given me something that I can take with me the rest of my life. If I could offer one piece of advice for everyone at Pipe Wrench, I would say, stay in the moment. And it's not about the money, it's about love. The greatest energy on the planet. It's the only thing that you can give away and still keep.